Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can get TikTok Stream Key. First up, go to your App Store, and then from here, go to the search icon at the bottom right and search for Streamlabs. Once done, you'll find this app right over here. So select on Streamlabs and install this application on your iPhone. Now once done, tap on Open. And then from here, as you can see, you just have to tap on the next button. Now here, you just have to select on TikTok. Once you tap on TikTok, then here you just need to log in with your account. So you can basically select if you want to use your phone number, Facebook account, Google account, Twitter, Line, or Kakao Talk. In this case, I'm going to select the Google account. And once you have selected, as you can see here, once you have logged in, you'll find this option where you need to select the layout. So here I'm going to select on the default and then tap on next. Now tap on continue and then allow the Streamlabs app and then tap on allow for camera and for microphone. Now once done here, just need to tap on the go live button and you will get the stream key. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.